welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do addition, subtraction and multiplication in Excel. So first we will learn how to open an Excel. So there are two steps. First step is either do right click on the new icon, and then you will find over here something as Microsoft Excel worksheet. Open it. You can name it to someone, like I'll write it like test, or I might write something. Second way is over here, type here to search. You need to write over here EXCEL, Excel, and then you need to click over here, and then it will open like this, and then you need to click on blank workbook, and then it will come like book 1 sheet 1. So first over here you need to write any numbers. So I'll not choose this one. I'll choose the test one which I created. So over here first I will write some numbers like 6, 7, 8. Okay. So first you need to click over here. My number will be 6, 7, 8. And over here I'll first teach you how to do in the one row column. So over here I will do 876, and then you can either go over here or click over any block over here, and then you need to click is equals to A1, because this is in A column, right? This is in A column, and this is in which column? It is in 1. Over here A, and over here 1. So over here we have to write A1 and then plus icon, and then this is in B column, and it is in the first row. So here you need to write B1. You should write in the capital. It will be easy for the computer, and then you just need to click enter, and voila, see the answer is over here 1553. So let's check it if it's correct or not. So go to the search calculator and open it. So we will see. So 678, right? 678 plus 875 is equals to 1553. So voila, same to same answer, 1553, 1553. So this works, it seems. So now I'll teach you in different columns. So you can just Control X and paste it anywhere on the board over here like this, and then just delete this column, and then you need to write over here A1 first is equals to, don't forget to, or else it will come. I suppose I'm removing the equal to column, and I'm just writing like this A1 plus, and this is in E column, and in the 7th column row, so it is E7 plus E capital E7, and then click enter. It won't work. See, it didn't work, right? That's why you need to keep the equal to symbol, like is equals to, and then see, for the proof it will come in this color shape, and if it is not coming the color shape, it means it's not working. And now click enter. It's 1553 only. So now I'll show you how to do subtraction. So first, what is the step? Equal to. Okay, and then we have to do A1 plus E7. Oh, so we were doing plus in addition, right? But we are over here doing subtraction. So you need to change it and to the minus symbol and write E7, and then you need to click enter. Is equals to minus 197, because 678 is 678 is smaller than 875. You can even do reverse change, like equal to E7 minus A1. is equals to 197. You can check in the calculator. In the calculator also it will work. So I'm checking it for your sake. 875 minus 678. This is a like mistake, so I'm writing it again. Don't, I beg your pardon for that. 875 minus 678 equal to 197. Magic, a kind of magic. And now we are going to multiply it. So very simple to multiply. Keep the equal to symbol. Then write A1. And then up of the 8, up of the numeric key 8, there is like some symbol. So you need to click shift and then that symbol. So in the computer that symbol is known as multiplication. And then you need to write E7 because this is E column and this is the 7th row. And then you need to click enter and this much big is the answer. So I'll check that for you too. First step, open the calculator, right? So open the calculator. So our numbers are 678 into 875 equal to 593250. And over here the answer is 593250. Exactly the same to same. And I'm even going to show you how to rename a sheet. Here it is like sheet 1. You need to click on it and you can like write anything. Practice, like I am writing practice, and you can even like add the sheet with this plus icon like this. And you can save it like Control S also, so it will be get saved. And if you want, and if you are using like a new document, then you need to go to file, second way to save, and then you need to click as save as, and then over here you need to save it, and you need to select the place where it is, and then you need to click save, and then it is ready, it is saved. So I'm now cutting this, and now let's see if it is saved or not. Open the test. Yes, it's saved. So today we learned many things. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, how to add a sheet, how to rename a sheet, and how to save a sheet. Wasn't it cool? If you felt it is cool, then comment me in the comments box. I'll upload more videos for tricks or like this computer techniques. So comment me in the comment box if you want more, and hit the subscribe button and the like button. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.